Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 5, Admission of Partner, Illustration number 12. Suresh and Dinesh are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. Suresh profit sharing ratio 3/5 and Dinesh 2/5. They admit Ramesh as a new partner. In the partnership firm, a new partner Ramesh is admitted. Suresh surrenders 1/5 of his share in favor of Ramesh. In that case, what they say mean in Suresh share. Now we see here 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there for Suresh out of 5. Out of 5, Suresh 3/5 and Ramesh 2/5. 1 and 2. So 2/5. Now what Ramesh is doing mean out of his share 3/5 from this 3 parts. From this part he is giving 1/5 for Ramesh. Suresh he is giving from his part of share, he is contributing 1/5 to Suresh. And the same way Dinesh from his part of share, he is contributing 2/5 share to Ramesh. So Suresh and Ramesh are the partners. Ramesh contributing from his part to Ramesh 1/5. The same way Dinesh is a partner from his part of share, he is contributing 2/5. From this part he is contributing 2/5. That case 3/5 into 1/5. In this part 1/5 he is going to give. So from this part 1/5, if you want to calculate, you need to take the proportion. So 3/5 into 1/5. 3/5 into 1/5. How much you are going to get? That is amount. That is a part of share he is going to contribute to Ramesh. The same way in this 2/5 share he is going to give 2/5. So 2/5 into 2/5. From this part he is going to give 2/5. Now we see here Suresh and Dinesh old ratio. 3/5 and 2/5. So now we are going to calculate the sacrificing ratio, how much they are sacrificing. So sacrificing ratio calculation of sacrificing ratio. Suresh, how much he contribute from his part of share, what he has in his hand, from that 1/5 part he is going to give to the new partner Ramesh. The same way Dinesh, what he has in his hand, from that he is going to give 2/5. Actually he had the part of the whole share 2 part. From this 2 part he is going to give 2/5. Okay, yeah. Now we see here 3 into 1 3, 5 into 5 25. The same way 2 into 2 4, 5 into 5 25. So now we got the sacrificing ratio 3:4. So sacrificing ratio is 3:4. Now they ask us to calculate new profit sharing ratio also. So new profit sharing ratio calculation. Now we see here Suresh, what he has, from that 3/25 he contributed to Ramesh. In that case 3 by 5 minus 3 by 25. When you are going to subtract it, the remaining balance, how much he has, that we can obtain it. So Suresh actually new profit sharing ratio. Suresh new profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificed ratio. New profit sharing ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrificed ratio. Now old ratio we know that of Suresh 3 by 5. How much he sacrificed? 3 by 25. So minus 3 by 25. The same way for Dinesh also. What is the old ratio? 2 by 5. Here written 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 minus, what is the sacrifice ratio? 4 by 25. So 4 by 25. Now we are going to subtract it. In that time both denominators should be same. So we are going to take the LCM. So to make a 5 into 25, we have to multiply this number by 5 into 5. So 3 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 minus 3 by 25. Now we got the value as 3 into 5 15. Then 5 into 5 25. Here also 25. So common 25 can take it. Then minus common symbol 3. So now we got the value for Suresh 12 by 25. So Suresh new profit sharing ratio is 12 by 25. The same way we have to calculate it for Dinesh also. So here Dinesh also both denominators are varying. So in that case we have to convert 5 into 25. So we are going to multiply by 5. So 2 into 5 divided by 5 into 5 minus 4 divided by 25. Now we see here we got the value 5 into 5 25. 5 into 2 10. Minus common symbol. What we have the second numerator? 4. So we got the value as 6 by 25. 6 by 25. So first new profit sharing ratio is 12 by 25. The second one is 6 by 25. The third partner, Ramesh. What is the new profit sharing ratio? That also we have to write now. So now we see here. Ramesh. So what is the contribution of Suresh plus what is the contribution of Dinesh? That is equal to Ramesh. So now we see here Ramesh, he received 3 by 25 from Suresh, 4 by 25 from Dinesh. What they have sacrificed. So Ramesh equal to 3 by 25 plus 4 by 25. Now both denominators are same, so we can have one denominator same as, then 3 plus 4 7. So now we see here the new profit sacrifice ratio, the new profit sharing ratio is 12 is to 6 is to 7. So 12 plus 6 18. 18 plus 7 25. So we got the both denominator value also equal to 25. Now we got the answer.